Want to launch your YouTube career but don't have the courage to show your face? Don't have a budget to invest in expensive video equipments? So, should you drop the idea of starting your YouTube career as a whole? Heck no! It's 2023, we have got AI to take care of everything. Start a faceless YouTube automation channel instead. In this mind-blowing tutorial, I'll be your guide, revealing all the secrets to raking in the big bucks without recording a single video or revealing your face. Say goodbye to the grind of traditional content creation and say hello to effortless earnings. I'll also let you in on the common mistake most people make, that sabotaging their YouTube automation dreams. Avoid it like the plague and watch your bank account flourish. With ChatGPT as your ultimate sidekick, I'll walk you through the steps to properly create and monetize your channels like a pro. In return, all I ask you guys is to leave a like, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. Ready to rake in the cash and turn your YouTube channel into a money-making machine? Time to join the partner program and unlock the treasure chest of ad revenue. No more waiting around for ages. Click that magic link in the description box or zip over to dfydave.com/monetization and voila! Your channel gets monetized instantly, so you start cashing in with every smashing video you create. Want to conquer YouTube stardom? It all starts with finding your niche. Picking the perfect niche is the secret sauce that makes your videos sizzle, attracting a massive audience and setting you apart from the rest. By zooming in on a specific topic, you become the expert that viewers crave. But don't worry, I've got your back. If inspiration eludes you, here are some red-hot options. Dive into gaming, tech, product review and motivational quotes, craft captivating top 10 lists, or serve up the juiciest celebrity news. Let's say step 2, the hunt for the ultimate channel name. If you've got one, kudos. If not, don't fret, ChatGPT's got your back. We're diving into the product review niche, so let's ask ChatGPT to give product review YouTube channel name ideas. I'll mix and match a little and my pick is Review Inspector. Catchy, right? Step 3, folks, is where we level up big time. Picture this, a killer profile picture that's gonna make jaws drop. Head to your Imagine AI generator and watch your imagination come alive. Get that masterpiece prompt and make it your profile picture, a true representation of your niche. As for profile art, Photopea.com is our secret weapon. Think Photoshop-like features with the ultimate convenience. Crop, retouch, add mind-blowing effects, it's your channel's visual symphony. Now, hold your breath for step 4, the channel description magic. Boost views, subscribers, and rank with the right keywords. ChatGPT's here to the rescue. Get a short, snappy, and captivating description for your YouTube channel and watch the magic unfold. Copy, paste, and let's make this channel unforgettable. Oh, and don't stop there. Step 5, peeps, is all about smashing it with video descriptions and tags. Let ChatGPT or Gravity write work their enchanting spells, and you just sit back and relax. For the next step, we need ideas for our YouTube videos. So, first things first, ask ChatGPT to shower you with ideas on monetizing your channel, which is showcasing products. It's like tapping into an endless well of money-making knowledge. From affiliate marketing to sponsored content, YouTube partner program, merch, product giveaways, and even YouTube premium revenue, you'll get the lowdown on all the lucrative possibilities. But don't stop there. ChatGPT is your genie in the bottle. Ask for more details on each monetization option. I mean a strategy, an action plan to get your channel monetized using these topics. It'll dish out an action plan on how to get approved for the YouTube Partner Program and open doors to the treasure troves of YouTube premium revenue. Step 7, the golden products. Picture this, your viewers drooling over the hottest products showcased in your videos. Thanks to ChatGPT, it's no longer a fantasy. Discover the best products to promote for your niche. Whether you're diving into gaming accessories or kitchen appliances, ChatGPT's got the goods. And the best part? Let's ask ChatGPT to suggest most popular and highly profitable products as an affiliate in this niche. Ta-da! Here's the list. Step 8. You don't even need to own these products. Enter kit.co. Creating a new kit is a breeze. Just click on the plus icon and give it a catchy name like 5 must-have kitchen appliances or 10 must-have car gears. Once you're set with the title, proceed to add the desired products. Need some ideas? Simply request a list of 5 kitchen appliances for an upcoming video, or even paste a title like 10 kitchen appliances you must buy on Amazon. These types of videos garner immense viewership, with some channels attracting millions of monthly views, centered around showcasing cool products available on Amazon. Let me demonstrate how it works with a few examples. I'll select the first kitchen product and add it to the Kitco store. Each kit you build should contain related products, and since these are all kitchen products, they fit perfectly together. You can also create different stores, like one dedicated to different categories. This way, anyone interested in those products can conveniently purchase them all in one go. The best part is that you don't need to own any of these products yourself. They are linked directly to Amazon, and you don't even have to create an Amazon affiliate account. All you need is a kit.co account, and you're good to go. Once you've assembled at least 5 to 10 different products in your store, simply click on View Kit, and there you have it, your store is ready. Any purchases made through your store will earn you a commission. To share your store with others, just click on the 3 dots, copy the link, and spread the word. It's a fantastic way to earn money. Step 9. It's time to create a YouTube script for the video titled 5 Must-Have Kitchen Appliances You Can Buy on Amazon. To achieve this, I'll request ChatGPT to write a script for the 5 must-have kitchen appliances recommended on Amazon. With the script in hand, you have the flexibility to personalize and enhance it according to your preferences. Go to Amazon, add specific product links, and them into the script. Simply open the corresponding link, click on Buy Now, and share the URL in the script. This way, ChatGPT can analyze the details and craft thorough reviews for each of the recommended gaming gadgets. Remember, this customization allows you to present each product with individual titles and descriptions. For example, you can introduce product number 1 and provide the link, followed by product number 2 with its corresponding link. By doing so, ChatGPT will have the necessary information to create insightful reviews tailored to each of the featured gaming gadgets. Happy scripting! Step 10. Your scripts are ready, but who's going to narrate them? Play.ht's AI-powered text-to-voice generator has got you covered. Choose from ultra-realistic voices, male or female, and bring life to your videos with just a click. Your audience won't believe it's not a human speaking. That's the power of AI. Step 11. Visuals that wow. To truly stand out on YouTube, visuals are key. Blue Willow AI steps in to generate stunning product designs that'll leave your viewers awestruck. From trippy graphics to eye-catching visuals, your content will be an irresistible feast for the eyes. Add forward imagine and add your product description or title as your prompt. Among the various designs available, opt for the third one. Click on U3 to upscale the image, giving it a cool and engaging trippy effect that will make your videos stand out. Step 12. Seamless editing made easy film frames. Next, use Clipchamp, a handy editing tool found at clipchamp.com, to edit the designs generated by Blue Willow. You can upload your designs there and even add the voiceover you created with Play.ht. Once the video is all set, export it and upload it to your YouTube channel. In the description box, insert a link to your Kitco store where viewers can purchase the products shown in the video. This way, you can earn an affiliate commission without even joining the Amazon affiliate program. Thank you so much for watching our video. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that like button. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest content. Links to all the tools and resources used in this video are given in the description box. Until then, see you in the next one.